Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you a Percaso preset. This I think is very accurate, but I don't really sound anything like Percaso, so I try my best with making my vocals like him. But I do think this preset is accurate. First, I'm gonna play his song, and I'm gonna play the same thing but with my vocals on it.
Already got it cool. Around with chopsticks, expensive toolets. Wanna spin again, but don't know how to do it. Already kinda stupid. Only crazy G-Ride, his fingerprints all through it. Running from the J, it's too many toolets. Throw these on the south side, Perk got me drooling.
And now this is my part.
Wally got it coolie. Around with chopsticks, best toolies. Ain't wanna spin again, but don't know how to do it. Wally kinda stupid. And then G-Ride, his fingerprints all through it. Running in front of Jake, it's on many toolies. Thoughts on the south side, Perk got me drooling. Why ice for me up so much? Every year and get it, mix the purple with the rinse. I've been looking for your baby, but I'm busy on the run. Lines isn't chops, even post with a drum.
Yeah, if you guys are interested, the link is gonna be in the description, and consider liking and subscribing because I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming. And yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one.